Hello everyone, and welcome to our honest review of Resume Now, a platform that positions itself as a leading AI-powered resume builder in 2025. In this video, we'll explore its main features, discuss user experiences, and determine if it's worth your time and investment. Main features and navigation. Resume Now offers a variety of tools designed to simplify the resume creation process. Here's a breakdown of its primary sections. AI Resume Builder. This tool guides users through creating a professional resume using AI-generated suggestions tailored to individual work experiences. Resume Templates. Users can choose from a diverse selection of customizable templates vetted by recruiters, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and compatibility with applicant tracking systems. Cover Letter Generator. This feature assists in crafting personalized cover letters that complement your resume, enhancing your overall job application. CV Maker. For those seeking to create a curriculum vitae, this tool provides guidance and templates to effectively showcase academic and professional achievements. Job Resources. Resume now offers a wealth of resources, including resume examples, writing guides, and career advice, to support users throughout their job search journey. User Experiences. While many users appreciate the platform's user-friendly interface and the quality of its templates, there have been concerns regarding billing practices. Some users reported unexpected charges and difficulties with subscription cancellations. For instance, complaints on the Better Business Bureau's website highlight issues with unauthorized charges and challenges in obtaining refunds. Additionally, discussions on platforms like Reddit have labeled Resume Now as a scam, citing unauthorized monthly charges despite opting for a one-time payment. Is it worth it? Resume Now offers a range of tools that can be beneficial for job seekers aiming to create professional resumes and cover letters. However, potential users should exercise caution due to reported billing issues. It's crucial to thoroughly read the terms of service and monitor your billing statements to avoid unexpected charges. Considering the mixed user experiences, it's advisable to explore the platform's free features first and ensure you fully understand the subscription model before committing financially. Thank you for watching our review. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into career development tools.